Eva, there you are. Shh, get down. What's going on? Look. That's Bandit and Dustin from the Woodland pack. What are they doing here? Come with me. I want to show you something. Okay. Here we are. Wow, this is actually really pretty, Ruby. I know, right? This is my special place. Come on, I'll give you the grand tour. Flora, have you seen Tala? Oh, hey, Ellie. Yeah, I think I saw her over there. Is something wrong? I'll tell you later. Well, that was odd. Tala, I'm so glad I found you. Hi, Ellie, what's wrong? Me and Eva saw Bandit and Dustin from the Woodland pack over in the fields. The Woodland pack? What are they doing here? Oh no, this could be bad. You're right. I'm gonna go and check it out. Hey, what were you and Tala talking about? You looked concerned. It was nothing. Never mind. Hunter? Hunter, what's wrong? It's nothing. Just never mind. Something's up. Phoenix, did you hear something? I didn't hear anything. You're right, it must be my mind playing tricks on me. Okay, now what's up? Something's off about Hunter. He's been acting weird. Yeah, I kind of noticed that too. He's been acting kind of strange ever since Meadow came along. Yeah, exactly. It's probably nothing though. I don't know. Something's really weird. Just keep an eye on him. As his friends, we need to make sure he's okay. I'm getting really tired. Let's stop here for the night. Okay. Don't worry, I'm sure we'll find her tomorrow. Yeah, I'm sure you're right. Good night. Good night. Keep an eye on them. Huh? Spirit? Spirit, where are you? Oh no. I'm all alone. I'm all alone! I'll be stuck here forever. Why, Spirit? Why did you have to leave me? Dude, chill out. I'm right here. Oh. Oh, okay, good. What were you doing? Well, I was trying to find us some breakfast, but I didn't find anything. Oh, that stinks. I'm starving. So, I guess we're stuck with salad. What? Ew, I'm not eating the grass. What? No, we're not gonna eat the grass. Dude, there's literally clover right here. Oh, yeah, okay, I guess that's fine. Have you ever eaten this stuff? No, but I do know it's edible. Okay, here goes. You know, that's not that bad. I'm too hungry to care. People actually eat this stuff? Spirit, it's not that bad. Don't be dramatic. Are you kidding me? This is disgusting. Why did I eat that? Well, Spirit, when you're done being dramatic and having your little episode here, we should probably keep looking for Meadow. Yeah, you're right. Let's go. That was disgusting. I am never eating that again. You would seriously rather starve than eat clover? I mean, it's literally not that bad. Ugh, whatever. Come on, let's just keep looking. Ugh, I need to get new friends. Hey, Flora, have you seen Hunter? Oh, hey, Ruby. Yeah, I think he's over there. Oh, okay, thanks! How am I even gonna tell her? Hi, Hunter! Ah! What the toy, Ruby? Sorry, Hunter, I didn't mean to scare you. Okay, well, what is it? Just wanted to see if you want to play hide and seek or something. Not now, Ruby. I got something on my mind right now. I don't really want to play. Hunter, is something wrong? Nothing. Huh? Wow, it's such a beautiful day out. Oh, hey, Hunter. I think Ruby was looking for you. Yeah, I know. So, actually, I was kind of wondering if maybe you would want to do something later? Flora, I already told Ruby I'm not in the mood to play. That's not what I meant. So what's it like where you live? Well, it's a lot different from this, I'll tell you that. What do you mean different? Well, number one, we sleep in houses with beds and not on the ground. Wow, really? Yeah. Wow. So a house, like, protects you from rain and stuff? Pretty much. Whoa. Hey, Meadow. Oh, hey, Ruby. Hey, Ellie. Hey, Eva. Hey. Hey. I'll be at the place if you need me. Okay. I just don't understand why Hunter didn't want to play. I mean, he always wants to play. Something's definitely wrong. I know. Tonight, while everyone's sleeping, I'll go and see what he's up to. I'm going undercover. Hee 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 hee. Hey, Tala. Hi, Rusty. Something wrong? Well, I'm pretty sure I saw a member from the Woodland pack over there. Wait, really? Where? Over by the creek. Oh no, I'm gonna go check it out. Okay. Come on, let's check this way. Okay.